Hi everyone, thanks so much for deciding to watch my video today. If you are new, welcome. My name is Maureen and I am so happy to have you here. We're going to get right into today's video, and today's video is products that I purchased from Ofra Cosmetics, and it just came today, and I just opened the box so that I could get into it without having to struggle. And it appears that this is well packaged, all wrapped up in bubble wrap. So we'll just take that out and get rid of the box. And this is a mystery bag that Ofra had on their website, and I believe it was $25 on their website, and there were so many codes going around to use where you could save $10. So I found a code. I'm not sure what code that I actually used, and so the final cost was $15 for these products from Ofra, and came in a nice bag. It's a little smushed, but I'm sure, once you put some things in it, it would straighten out, with a nice, breathable mesh back, plastic front. So we'll just take one item out at a time, and I'll show them to you. And this is the Ofra Perfecting Puff, and this is your latex-free makeup sponge. And just to give you some idea for prices, since I only did pay $15 for this, even if I did pay the $25, it would still be worth it. This on their website has a value of $15. So it's, as you can see, I have plenty of sponges, but never hurts to have a new one. And the next product in here is, the size is 0.47 ounces. The only thing I could think of, since it doesn't say what it is that this is a lip gloss. And this is in the shade Cherry Mocha. And their lip gloss is on their website for the same exact size. Their retail price is $13, and they are on sale currently for $9. So that is an item right there. The next item in here is I think it says it on the back what it is. And this is a refill for a palette and eyeshadow in the shade Bliss. So I think the refills for their shadows in Bliss are $9 regularly, and they are on sale on their website for $3. So that's that. Always nice to get an eyeshadow. And then we're going to see what this next product is here. Oops. And that's what this looks like. And this looks like it's a refill also. And this is the Egyptian Clay Bronzer. And I'm looking on my phone. The bronzer, this Egyptian Clay Bronzer, the same exact in its, white plastic case that Ofra usually gives. And this is just like the refill. The actual bronzer itself is $40 with the actual case, so I have no idea what the value of this is, even if it was, $10 or even if it was $5 at that point. Still, we're getting our value here, so that's not a problem. Okay, we have a full-size Ofra long-lasting liquid lipstick, and the shade is Honolulu. And let's open this. Probably should have shown it like this so you can see that it's the long-lasting liquid lipstick. And let's just open it. I'm not going to swatch all these. Just got out of the shower, so I don't want all this stuff. Oh, just got it all over the place. So here's the shade. Here's the doe foot applicator. It's got a little bit of an angle on it. It's a pretty shade. Just got it all over the lid. So that's the lipstick. And I think their lipsticks are usually $20 for any of their for lipsticks. And I think there's one other item in here. Yeah. I think I have tried one other that I have received. I don't know if I have it handy. I have so many lipsticks. Yes, I think this is an Ofra one. that I have tried this in the past, an Ofra lipstick. This is their Havana Nights. And it's still the same, you know, a little different packaging, but this is beautiful. And has good lasting power. It stays on a long time. And then this next product here is, I don't know if that's going to focus. Probably not. That does say eyeliner, and you can see by the back there. This is their eye pencil, their eyeliner pencil in turquoise. And I think these are normally $13, and I think it's on sale for $9. So that is their full-size pencil according to their website, and turquoise would be nice. Here, let me open that up, and I can show you the color there. So that's pretty. I'm not mad at that. I get tired of liners that are always, there you go, that are always black or brown. So it's nice to get a color, and I do have blue eyes, so that will be nice. Okay, let's see what this is. So then once you like straighten out the bag, you can see that it's a pretty good, good size bag there that you can put lots of stuff in, which is fine for me. And this here looks like almost like their Z palette type of thing. And this, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that because it's imprinted there. It says iPalette. Okay. And let's see how this works. Okay. So this just slides off. And then this is magnetic. I don't have any, I don't have any magnetic shadows. I don't think. Let's see if I can try and just look real quick in my drawers to see if I have anything that's magnetic. No, I do not at hand. So this is nice. If you have decent sized shadows, you could probably get 3, 9, 12, 15, maybe 18 shadows in there. It doesn't really say how many. It's so hard when they do black on black. Yeah, it just says Eye Palette by Ofra. So let me see on their site the palette. The magnetic palette, the Eye Palette magnetic, the value is $30 and it's on sale for $15. So with this mystery bag, even if I paid the $25, this is a $20 value all the time. Ofra lipsticks are always $20. Their blender sponge is $15. So right there, that has clearly paid for the box. I spent $15. So I paid for the sponge at $15, and then all these other products technically are free. So this, another YouTuber had mentioned that Ofra was having their mystery bags out. I know a lot of people went on and ordered them. So I didn't see them on their site, so they might be sold out. If I do find out that they're ever back, I will post in the little discussion tab on YouTube when I find bargains like this. Maybe you guys could, if you can get, and I can find a good code so that you could have a code and pay the same amount of money. But this is definitely a bargain. Plus it gives me a chance. I've never tried their shadows or their bronzers or their eyeliners. Lip gloss, I'm sure, is not all that much different from their lipstick. They have great lipsticks. It's always nice to have another sponge, and I was going to actually be purchasing a Z palette from Ulta, but now I won't buy that, and I will utilize this. I have a few loose magnetic ones, but I don't know where they're at right at the moment. So that is the video for today from Ofra Cosmetics, and this is their mystery bag. And remember to like, share, and leave me a comment on this video, and most importantly, subscribe. Subscribing is free for you and means the world to me. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.